Question number 6. And again, I reiterate, please read the top. 26. The photographs below show the same coastal location at 2 different times during the same day. To the left, it's 12:40 p.m. On the right, it's 6:52 p.m. Which statement best explains the cause for the higher water level at 6:52 p.m.? Now, what you really should know, and this is really a simple concept, and they like to give you half-page questions with a bunch of pictures and a bunch of information to try to confuse you and throw you off and just overload you with information. The trick here is that you need to know, and this is something you definitely should have learned in your earth science classes. And if you're one of my students, you better know this, and you better not get this wrong, because I'm going to be upset. We spent weeks on this, and it's not okay. So it says, why is there a high tide and a low tide? That's essentially what it's asking. They like to ask questions in a crazy way that make you think that you have no idea what you're talking about. But they're asking about why is there high tide and why is there low tide? But of course, that would be too easy. Now, what you should know is that the moon, that beautiful, beautiful moon that we have, controls our tides, it controls our oceans. So the correct answer is number 2. It exerts a gravitational pull on rotating Earth. As the moon revolves around us, it pulls our oceans, and we have a new high tide every 12 hours and 25 minutes. I believe it's 25 minutes. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's 12 hours and 25 minutes. So the correct answer is 2, and I think that everybody knows after being in earth science class for a year or 2 years, whatever you are, that the moon obviously controls the oceans, and it did have a huge effect on us when Hurricane Sandy came along. And if you see my date, just happened about a month ago. It has a strong effect. It definitely is a big deal and controls our oceans. The correct answer is 2. The moon exerts a gravitational pull on rotating Earth.